In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a zip file on your Windows laptop or PC. Zipping files is a handy way to compress data, making it easier to store, share, and manage. Whether you're looking to save some disk space or preparing files for email attachments, learning to create a zip file can be quite beneficial. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to open your File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon located on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, or you can press the Windows key and E key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will bring up the File Explorer window, which showcases all your files and folders. Next, you will want to locate and select the files or the folder you wish to compress. Navigate through your folders until you find the files you're aiming to include in your zip file. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each file or folder to select multiple items at once. If you're compressing a single folder, simply click to select it. Once you've selected the files or folder, it's time to compress them. Right-click the selected items to bring up a context menu. From here, hover your mouse over the Send To option, which will prompt another menu to appear. Select Compressed Zipped Folder from this secondary menu. This action will initiate the compression process. After a moment, you will notice a new zip file appearing in the same location as your original files or folder. The new compressed file will have a little zipper icon, which is the universal symbol for a zip file, indicating that it has been successfully compressed. At this point, you may want to rename the zip file to something more recognizable or descriptive, especially if the default name doesn't suit your needs. Right-click on the newly created zip file, select Rename, and type in your desired name. Press Enter to confirm the change. Remember, choosing a descriptive name can help identify the contents at a glance later on. And there you have it. You've successfully created a zip file on your Windows device. By following these steps, you can easily streamline your data management or prepare files for quick transfer. Remember, zip files are incredibly versatile not just for storage, but also for protecting your documents and sharing them with minimal fuss. You're now ready to apply this skill whenever the need arises. Thanks for tuning in, and happy zipping!